In this video, I will show you how to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code. Running HTML files in Visual Studio Code is straightforward. So to get started, go ahead and install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install it from their official website. After that, go ahead and create or open an HTML file. So to create a new file, go to File, head over to New File, and then save it with a .html extension. You can also open an existing file by clicking on this open file button, and that will take you into your local drive. So on your local drive, go ahead and look for that specific file. After that, go ahead and install the live server extension. So go ahead and head over into the extension tab at the left side of your screen, and in here, go ahead and search for live server and install it. So after you install the live server on your Visual Studio Code, go ahead and run your HTML file. So right click on your HTML file in the Explorer view and select Open with Live Server. This will launch your default web browser and display your HTML file. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.